Hi, this is Isha. You're watching a video with justtutors.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about surface area and volume of cubes and cuboids. In this lesson, we'll first work with the introduction to 3D shapes. Then we'll work with the surface area and volume, their general formula for cubes and cuboids. Let's start our lesson with some warm-up questions. You can pause the video here to try your answers. In this, we need to find the area for the following shapes. The first one, it's a rectangle. The formula to find the area of a rectangle is length times by the width. So 6 times 2 gives 12 meter squared. In the next one, it's a square. Here, the formula is side times by the sides. So 5 times 5 is 25 centimeter squared. We need to be really careful when we are working with the units. If you've got the same answer with the correct units, it's really wonderful for being so careful with your units. Now let's look at the introduction to 3D shapes. A three-dimensional or 3D shape or a solid is a shape that has got length, breadth, or sometimes we call it width, and height, which is also known as depth sometimes. It is made up of faces, edges, and corners. Faces are sometimes referred to as surfaces, edges are sometimes called as sides, and corners are sometimes called as vertices. You can have a good look at the picture here. Let's see how we are going to work with cubes. A cube is a three-dimensional solid object which is having 6 identical square faces joined along their edges. 3 edges join together to form one vertex. Volume of a cube is calculated by multiplying all the sides that are length, breadth, and height together. So that is A. In this case, because all the sides are of same length, so we can replace it by simply A. So A cube is what we have as the volume of cube. Then we have lateral surface area. That means we will not include the area of the top and the bottom surface. So the formula to find lateral surface area of cube is 4a squared. The total surface area, this time we are going to include all the faces. So there are 6 faces in a cube. So the area is 6a square. And as we know, a is the length of the edge. Now let's look at cuboids. A cuboid is a box-shaped solid object. It has 6 flat sides and all the angles are right angles. Again, 3 edges join at each corner to form a vertex. If we are finding the volume of a cuboid, we times the length by the width by the height. If we are working for lateral surface area, we will not include the top and the bottom surface. So the formula is 2h L plus W. When we are working with total surface area, we include all the faces, all the 6 faces, and we generalize the formula as 2 times by LB, that is length and breadth, added to breadth and height times together, added to height and length times together. With this, we have some practice questions. You can pause the video here and try these practice questions. And when you are done with your questions, you can check your answers with the answers provided at the end of the slides. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.